Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about conversion tracking and conversion pixels. These are different to retargeting pixels and you should be using them for different reasons. You use retargeting pixels to record people who have taken an action, i.e. they've landed on a page or they've gone to a thank you page or they've visited another page. You just use the retargeting pixel to build a custom audience so you can run ads based on that action. Conversion tracking and conversion pixels are completely different. What therefore is to track people who have taken a positive action, and the emphasis there is on positive. Now, a positive action could be they've bought something, they've signed up for something. So you want to build a list of these people. So what I'm going to do, here I am in the audiences, in the ad manager, and I am going to create a conversion pixel. So this is conversion tracking. You can see it on the left hand side. Top right hand corner, we've got create pixel. So there are different categories. Checkouts, so people are checking out, they've bought something, they've registered, they've added themselves to a list, so they've signed up. They've gone to an important page in your blog. They've added stuff to the cart, so they've got a cart page or whatever, or other website conversions. The one you're really going to worry about are leads, registrations, and checkouts. Choose whichever one you want. It doesn't matter what you choose. I usually use checkouts for sales, and I use either registrations or leads if people have signed up. Registrations you could use for a thank you page for a webinar or something like that if you wanted to. Leads, a thank you page when I sign up to your list. But generally I would use checkouts and leads. Okay, so you give your pixel a name and you just create it. Oops, sorry, I thought I'd chosen a category. Do leads. That's it. It's as simple as that. So yeah, you've got your code here. You copy. You would go to your site. Let's go to dashboard, and let's go to pages. Let's have a look at all pages. Here is my survey page. I can edit my survey page. So here you can see on the page, I've got an area to add script to the header. So I can paste it in and add it there. Now, little tip for you. This theme I have doesn't have the option to add code to individual pages. So I've downloaded a plugin called OH Add Script. So if we go to plugins, let me just save this first. That would be... I'll save this and show you it working. So we've got a view page. So this is my giveaway survey. Click on that, 2 pixels found, custom audience pixel, conversion pixel. So that conversion pixel has now loaded. Okay, so let me go back and add a new, let's go to dashboard. Just show you this quickly. Add new plugin. So if you type in page header code, that's all you need to do. So there you go, OH add script to individual pages header footer, and you just install that, and you can then add a conversion pixel to any page you want. Right, so let's get back to our conversion tracking. So that is the code there. I've added it to that page. Now when anyone visits that page, the pixel gets filled in. What you would need to do is when you create your advert, as manager, create ad, clicks to website, just pretend it's going to there. Okay, so you scroll down to show advanced options, conversion tracking pixel, and we've got leads, test pixel. I think that's the one I just created, wasn't it? So did I call it that? I can't remember which one I created, but the one you would create, you see I've got leads here, I've got registrations, and I've got checkouts. So all you would do, you activate the pixel you want, so that's a test pixel there. If you want to target 2 pixels in an advert, you could have to use the power editor, but for normal day-to-day, you would just choose your pixel there, and that would be it. So let's go back. We're going to leave that. And we're going to go back to conversion tracking. Yep, so here's our test pixel. Obviously, there's been no activity yet. If we look at the sales activity for FB Ad Ninja, we can see that's been firing away nicely. Right, one thing I want to show you about the pixel, if we view the code, this is quite important. Down here towards the bottom, you've got a value 0.00. Now, if you remember and you put the price of the product in there, say $10, $27, if you're selling something, in your adverts, in your ad area, you will get a conversion value. So you can see exactly how much you've earned from that advert, which is really useful. So all you do, you look down just towards the bottom, it's got a conversion value. You add the figure in there before you paste it in. So remember to do that. Sometimes I actually forget myself until 3 or 4 days into the campaign, but then you can start to see how much your adverts are earning you. So it's well worth remembering doing. Okay, so that's pretty much your conversion tracking. There is one more really important thing I want to show you. And this is the reason why you should be using your conversion tracking pixel all the time. Here we have FB Ad Ninja. Now this is the checkouts, people who have bought. Okay, so you guys are somewhere in this activity. On the right hand column, you've got a page called Actions. Okay, now you've got an option here, create an ad, create a lookalike audience, or share pixel. We're not interested in the last one, but create a lookalike audience or create an ad. I hope something has just gone off in your brain and you can see the benefit of this. Right, so you create a custom audience in Facebook, and you then do a lookalike audience of people who are your leads, something like that. Create a lookalike audience for people who have actually purchased your product. How powerful do you think that's going to be? So it's well worth testing it out. So you come along, you create a lookalike audience, you choose your country, United States. Always go for similarity. It's going to create 2 million people. List about 2 million people who are like my current buyers. They're like you guys. They've got similar interests. They've got similar demographics to you guys. I can then run a campaign or an ad to those. That, my friends, is very, very powerful stuff. Just to finish off and sum up, your conversion tracking, you should be doing it all the time. You should have a conversion pixel on your thank you pages or where people go after they've purchased. The real power of it comes when you create a lookalike audience. You can create an ad, but you create a lookalike audience. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found that useful. If you have any questions, as ever, please ask. Thanks. Bye.